Running ragged. Understanding this exhausting phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where language learning meets real-life situations. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might have heard or even felt at some point: run ragged. Whether you're a dedicated language learner or a curious word enthusiast, understanding idiomatic expressions is key to mastering English. So, let's get to the bottom of what it means to be run ragged and how you can use it in everyday conversations. You've probably heard someone say they're feeling run ragged. But what does this phrase actually mean? To be run ragged means to be extremely tired, worn out, or exhausted, usually because of a series of demands, tasks, or stress that seem endless. The phrase paints a picture of someone being chased or pushed to the point of fatigue. It's like running a marathon with no finish line in sight. Curious about where this phrase came from? The expression, run ragged, has been used since the early 20th century. It's believed to have originated from the idea of something being ragged, which means frayed or worn out due to overuse. When you're run ragged, it's like you're a piece of cloth that's been used so much it starts to tear and wear thin. Let's put this phrase into action. Here are a few examples of how run ragged can be used in sentences. Between working 2 jobs and studying, I've been run ragged this week. The new puppy has run the entire family ragged with its endless energy. Preparing for the event without any help really ran me ragged. Notice how in each example, the phrase illustrates an overwhelming sense of exhaustion due to excessive demands or activities. If you're looking to expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for run ragged that convey a similar feeling of exhaustion. Burnt out, worn out, exhausted, overworked, frazzled. These words and phrases can often be used interchangeably with run ragged, depending on the context. There you have it. You're now more familiar with the idiom run ragged and how it's used to express the feeling of being overwhelmed and extremely tired. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll feel confident using this phrase in your own conversations. Until next time, keep learning and don't let English learning run you ragged.